If you want to change gradient color mixing modes in Krita, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the gradient tool, switch the blending mode, and apply your gradient with different mixing effects. This is a simple but powerful way to create more interesting artwork, adjust how colors interact, and get more control over your design. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Krita and make sure you're working on the canvas where you want to apply your gradient. To activate the gradient tool, press G on your keyboard. That is the default shortcut, and it instantly switches you into gradient mode. You'll know it's active when your cursor and tool options change at the top of the screen. Now, look at the top toolbar, because this is where the important part happens. Find the blending mode drop-down menu. This setting controls how your gradient mixes with the colors already on the canvas. If you choose a mode like Darken, the gradient will interact with the existing colors in a more muted way. If you choose Divide, the result can look much more stylized and dramatic. And if you use Erase, it will blend in a way that can remove or affect the underlying pixels depending on your setup. Take a moment to click through the different blending modes and see how each one changes the final look. This is one of the best ways to experiment in Krita because even small changes to the mode can create completely different results. Once you've selected the blending mode you want, it's time to apply the gradient. Click and drag your cursor across the canvas in the direction you want the blend to go. As you drag, Krita will draw the gradient and mix the colors based on the mode you selected. Try dragging short distances for subtle transitions or longer strokes for a smoother and more dramatic blend. If the result doesn't look right, don't worry, just undo it, change the mode, and try again. That's the advantage of working digitally, because you can test different looks without losing your work. You can also combine this with different colors and layer setups to get even more creative effects. The key thing to remember is that the gradient tool gives you the base blend, and the blending mode changes how that blend behaves with the rest of your artwork. So if you want a soft finish, a strong contrast effect, or a more experimental look, this tool is a great place to start. And that's how you change gradient color mixing modes in Krita. Press G to activate the gradient tool, choose your blending mode from the drop-down, and then click and drag to apply your gradient. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Krita tips, shortcuts, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.